Now let's introduce the installation of the KEEL series drone arm. This is the configuration of a drone in our KEEL series. The front is its two sets of arms, and the back is its fuselage. Emphasize that these two sets of arms are installed without distinction between front and rear. These two sets of arms can be used interchangeably. And our arm adopts a quick disassembly structure. We can see that there are two pins at the installation hole position of the arm. There are two corresponding holes on the body here. So we can insert the pin into the corresponding hole. But let me emphasize that we have implemented an anti-back insertion design here. So if the direction of the arm is incorrect, then it cannot be inserted at all. This prevents the customer from using the wrong arm to cause abnormalities in this aircraft. Another point to emphasize is that when we lock it, be sure to lock the quick plug-in of the arm tightly. Now proceed with the installation of the boom. After obtaining the aircraft, use the two protrusions on the arm. You can insert it into the two holes on our body accordingly. We can see that there is a hole here, and there is a hole here. We can just insert it. After inserting it, just lock our locking parts tightly. In this case, our arm installation is complete. After the installation of the arm, the three wires of the corresponding two motors have also been connected to the system. Install the arm on the other side. So also open up the quick disconnect structure for it. Then pick up the arm. Align the protruding parts with the concave holes on our body and insert them inward. And then we will install our locking components. Just lock our arms tightly.